Here's why you need a tailor's ham. Today we're going to be diving into one of the most essential tools in your ironing and pressing sewing kit, and it's called a tailor's ham. So whether you are a seasoned seamstress or you're just starting out, this tool can really make a difference in your sewing projects, more than you might think. So what exactly is a tailor's ham and why should you use one? And also, how do you use it? Let's talk about it. So what is a tailor's ham? A tailor's ham is a firmly stuffed cushion. And if you look at it, it kind of looks like a ham. It's typically filled with sawdust or wool, and it's covered in a really durable fabric that is pressable. It's got a unique shape, and it helps, when you're pressing your garments, you can stick things like darts and sleeves and princess sleeves on top of here. And because it's curved, it allows you to iron those areas without flattening or distorting the fabric like you would on a traditional ironing board. And it gives your garments a professional finish. So this is why we're going to use a tailor's ham when we're sewing something, because we want to be able to press those seams without distorting the shape of the seam itself. So pressing, I think we all know, is a crucial step in sewing, but if we're pressing seams on a flat ironing board, and they're flat seams, that's fine. When it's curved seams, you need a tailor's ham. If you don't do it on tailor's ham, it's gonna get puckered or distorted, and it might be less than, that polished look that you're going to be going for. So the tailor's ham comes in and it supports the curve of that fabric and lets it be in its natural shape, whether it's the dart or the sleeve or whatever it is, and it gives you the ability to make crisp pressing on top of a curve. So your fabric is going to be kind of preserved, and that seam is going to be preserved, and the tailor's ham helps you do that. We actually have two tailor's hams. One we use inside of sleeves or small things, and then we have a larger, more traditional shaped tailor's ham like this for larger things. So I'm going to show you the tailor's ham in action in a second. And when it comes to pressing, you're just going to put the fabric on top of the tailor's ham and press on it. And because it's made out of durable fabric, you're going to be able to manipulate the ham inside of your project, and it can withhold a lot of heat, so you won't have to worry about the ham itself getting damaged. You do want to protect your fabric as much as you can though. So you might want to put like a pressing cloth over your fabric, then put down the fabric, and then put the tailor's ham inside. So you could do this for a sleeve. You could do it with a dart, you could do it with a waistband. Any sort of curved place that you have on your project is going to be really helpful to get that curve without any crease. When you use a tailor's ham, the seams are going to be smooth, the shape is maintained, and there's not going to be any puckering or distortion, and that's the magic of a tailor's ham. Now, if you want more information about a tailor's ham, please take a look at today's post on the lovenotions.com blog, and Anik is going to be taking us through the Sabrina Slims, which is a great pattern for just an everyday pull-on pant in knit and stretch woven fabrics. But she's going to also be showing you how to create your own tailor's ham, like how to sew it. She kind of has some dimensions for you on how to use some sturdy fabrics that you have around your sewing room, how to find what to put inside of it, and then actually how to go ahead and sew that out so that you can create your own DIY tailor's ham. So for more information on that tailor's ham and how to put it all together, check out the lovenotions.com blog, and also check out the shop today, because the Sabrina Slims are just $5 today only for our Feature Friday pattern.